How to redeem rewards codes in Monopoly Go. Now, if you go ahead and open up your Monopoly Go application and update it into the latest version, log into your account, you won't be able to find a direct option just for you to just simply redemption of codes on Monopoly Go. What you can do instead is just to use any web browser that you have on your mobile device and simply type in redeem Monopoly Go code. Now it should be on the very first result that says reward codes. Tap on that. As you can see, you can easily enter that unique code on this box right here. But before that, you need to log in to your Monopoly Go account or any of the credentials you use to log in into your Monopoly Go. Once you successfully logged in, you will go back to this page, enter that unique code, redeem it, and it will automatically come out to your Monopoly Go account. That's it. That's how you redeem rewards codes in Monopoly Go.